Hi, this is Ross from TW White & Sons, and today I'm here to show you our 72 plate Toyota PROACE Verso family. So this vehicle is on a medium wheelbase. I will show you the seats in a minute, but it's an 8-seater. As you can see, exterior colour is metallic grey and it's got black leather upholstery. This vehicle is a one-owner vehicle. It's got full Toyota history, and it will come with the balance of manufacturer's warranty, so the Toyota warranty that is left on the vehicle. Let me just go around the vehicle. We'll have a look at the exterior condition, interior condition, and then also run through some of the specification and features of the vehicle. So in terms of the vehicle, it's a really low mileage vehicle, so around 11,000 miles. In terms of condition, that does kind of reflect as well. There's a few little minor bits of the vehicle which I'll show you, so like a minor little nick to the alloy there, and then as we do go around, there's just a few tiny sort of like chips like this, which, to be honest, with a vehicle of this sort of style and size, you probably expect to see a lot worse. We've got privacy glass for the rear. Again, this alloy's got a little nick just there. We've got rear parking sensors at the back, and we've also got a reversing camera. And once we're out the back, I'll just open it up just to show you this. So quite nice as well. You've got a handle there to put it down nice and easily. Previous owner has got all these sort of like, not quite rubber, but these mats that are here. You've got this little parcel shelf, which of course does come out, and then you can also fold the seats down just like that. So obviously if you need the extra space in the back and you don't need the rear seats, you can fold them from the back there, which is nice and easy. Or of course if you don't need the rear space and you need the seats, then you've got really good size. Again, I'll show you from the other side. You've also got cup holder sort of either side there as well. And then coming around to this side of the vehicle, so the alloys on this side, these are all good, and so is the bodywork. Again, we're always very honest in showing you, so it's just tiny little bits, just sort of age related marks on the vehicle. And there's the last alloy. So there's the exterior. Look at the interior. So as I touched on earlier on, we've got black leather upholstery, and again you've still got these sort of, again, I can't think of the word for it, but not rubber mats. We've also got normal mats underneath there as well. You can see here, really spacious. Plenty of headroom. You know, the middle seat isn't small or anything like that. You can easily get 3 adults in here, and then hold that down. You get 3 adults there. You've also got the bar underneath here. Slide that forward to make it nice and easy for make it nice and easy for people to get in the back there, and just slide that back, and you've got 2 different locks. You could put it to here, so if you wanted that person to have more space. Sorry, I'm trying to do it all one-handed, which is interesting. There we go. So obviously the rear row you can have like that, and again you can see still plenty of space. So yeah, really spacious vehicle. Just put that one back to there, and then you can see from here we've got the little sort of visor that is there. We've also got the roof, so you can see the left side has got it closed and the right side is open, so you can see what that sort of looks like. And then you've also got your air conditioning up here, which obviously you've got all these vents up here which you can control as well. You've also got keyless entry, so you can lock and unlock the vehicle from the handle here as long as it detects the key. Electric windows at the front, and then electric adjustment for your wing mirrors. We've got heated seats. You can see here, it's a 3-stage heating system. The seats are massage here as well, so you can see you've got different settings for that, and you've got the electric adjustment for it. In terms of the leather, it's all in immaculate condition, all really good. Your front seats here have just got the armrest as well, and just stick into the vehicle. So we've got sort of a lot of door storage in here if you need it, very deep. There's a cup holder there. The other door's got the exact same. We've also got a bit more storage down there as well. Again, plenty of space through the middle here if you need it. Plenty of leg room in the front. We've got electric parking brake just there. Mileage, 11,056 miles, so like I touched on, extremely low mileage for one of these. You won't find another one out there with this low mileage. We've got can't quite see it on the right stalk. I'm trying my best. There we are. Automatic wipers, automatic lights, and then of course you've seen you've got the flappy paddles if you want to drive the vehicle manually. We've got sort of Bluetooth controls on the right hand side, volume controls, and then this sort of wheel just changes the information that's displayed there. You've got your cruise control just down there. Selector, let me pop it into reverse so you can see the camera. So there we are, there's the reversing camera, and you should have also heard the beep. So you've got the rear parking sensors as well. Keyless, so key has to be in the vehicle, and it's foot on the brake and then push the start stop. You've got some little bit of storage here, charging points, door locks, dual climate control, so you can change how much air comes out of the vehicle, and then also the temperature. And as you can see here, you could have one side hotter than the other if you wanted to do so. And then we've got your infotainment system, so you've got Bluetooth on here, obviously you've got radio, you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings as well, so if you want to play about some of the settings, turn some bits off, sensors, some of the parking aids to start stop, you can do that in there. That's pretty much it. There's not too much through this sort of system. It's out of different profiles, which is quite handy if there is multiple people driving the vehicle. But yeah, sort of nice and simple through there. I'd say the main things are just the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your Bluetooth and your radio really. But yeah, I think that's probably pretty much everything on the vehicle. As you can see, really good condition vehicle. Let me just get out the vehicle. We'll finish up outside. So there we have it. So there is the vehicle. As I've touched on, one owner vehicle, full Toyota history. That every 2 years the service intervals on these, so not due another service until 2026. It'll come with balance of manufacturer's warranty. It is, I don't think I've touched on it actually, it is diesel automatic. We take all vehicles in part exchange. So as you can see here, we are a Mazda dealer, but this is not a Mazda. And even if it's not something that we would retail here ourselves, we'll still give you a very competitive price for the vehicle. We offer finance on this vehicle, and we can also deliver the vehicle. So if you're not local to us, then still give us a call and we can discuss that. But if you have any questions about this vehicle, or if you'd like to make an appointment to come and view and test drive it, please do give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thank you very much.